The following program is sponsored by the Today's Home Remodeler television network.
Welcome to today's Home Remodeler. I'm Stuart Keith, and on today's show, we're walking through the professional asphalt paving process. We'll begin by meeting with David Finnerud from DRS Asphalt Paving as he takes us through the preparation process for repaving a blacktop driveway. Next, we'll catch up with job site foreman Josh Strassman and check out the asphalt paving process. We'll see the equipment and the team of professionals required to complete a quality job. And finally, we'll finish up today's program learning about asphalt color texturing and how a driveway can be accented to offer a touch of brick. So we have a lot to cover today, and we'll get started after these messages.
Is your home ready for a new asphalt driveway? Then give us a call at DRS. Since 1971, we've been paving the Madison area with quality service and a quality product. We offer our own patented rubberized asphalt mix. We provide up to a 3-year warranty, and we specialize in residential driveways, commercial parking lots, and color texturing. For a free estimate with a friendly estimator, give us a call at DRS or visit our website at drspaving.com.
A new blacktop driveway definitely adds curb appeal to a home, as it seems to make everything else around it look a little better. If your home's driveway is ready for a facelift, or you're tired of driving on gravel, then it might be time to consider a new asphalt driveway. So let's begin today's program out at our project with job preparation foreman Dave Finnerud from DRS Asphalt Paving. Oh, Dave, it looks like the guys have this all prepped and ready to be paved.
Yeah, they're going to be rolling in here later on today, and they'll be all set to go.
Well, you know, before it gets to this stage in the process, the homeowners have to make several decisions, and obviously they have to decide what type of surface they want. They want a blacktop driveway. What are the steps involved in that process?
Well, first they just give us a call, and we ask them if they want to have an estimator come out to meet them, or if it's okay just to have the estimator come out and just measure the existing driveway.
Okay, and so maybe it's a good idea to meet with the estimator, obviously, and especially in a situation like this, so that they can get their wants and needs addressed properly, so everybody's on the same page?
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes the owners might want to widen the driveway or make it even smaller than what the existing was also, so it's good for the estimator to see what the homeowner wants. Along
the lines of that process, what should the homeowners expect to receive? Just an estimate, or will the estimator actually map it out for them?
Well, the estimator will make a drawing like this here and put dimensions on there so that the homeowner can see exactly what they're expecting to get.
Oh, this is nice. This can really help the homeowners visualize it. It obviously helps me a lot here. It gives the homeowners an opportunity to come out and double check it. Is this exactly what they want? They can get the tape measures out, measure it, and I even see, what are these areas? It almost looks like decorative asphalt being laid?
That's where they're going to be adding some stamped asphalt with coloring.
Boy, I can't wait to see that. Now, Dave, what is your role in this process?
I'm the prep crew foreman. I'm in charge of making sure that everything runs smoothly with the prep work.
Okay, so along the lines of the preparation, what were you looking at this situation?
Well, when we first came here, we came in and started shooting some elevations here to see where the water actually drained at the time. Is
drainage important in an asphalt driveway?
Yes, you want to be able to get the water off the asphalt as soon as possible so that it'll make the asphalt last longer. And it also help prevent puddles, which might eventually freeze in the wintertime.
Okay, so in this situation, what were you dealing with, and where are you getting the water to go?
Well, here we noticed that it was not very good drainage in this area, so we added about 3 inches of base on the backside, and that will push the water off a lot faster than what it used to.
Okay, so the water that falls up there is going to come here by the looks of it, and then about halfway down the length of the driveway, right in this area, is where it's going to drain off.
And there it's going to sheet drain off right onto the grass there.
And again, that's important because if you get the water off the asphalt, you're saying it'll make it last longer?
It'll last longer. And then no puddles. You don't want any puddles on your driveway. That might eventually freeze and be slippery spots in the winter time.
Okay, well that makes sense. Now how important is the base of an asphalt driveway?
Your asphalt is only as good as the base that's underneath. And in this situation here, the base underneath was pretty good. We just had to strip out the existing asphalt that was old, cracked and alligatored is what we call it, and then we added a recycled base over the top about 2 to 3 inches.
Okay, so these homeowners actually had an old asphalt driveway, but it was really beat up, and so you removed that, and then did you recycle that asphalt, or is this different asphalt?
This is from another driveway or another parking lot, which once we get a huge pile, we have a crusher come in and crush that old asphalt, and we reuse it again.
I didn't even think of that. So the process that your company employs is actually very environmentally friendly. You're reusing all the old asphalt that you recycle it into base.
Yeah, exactly.
Now, does this base give you a superior product?
We like using this recycled asphalt better because it doesn't hold as much moisture as gravel does, and the more you work it, the harder it gets, and if you let it sit for a little bit, it will also harden over time.
Well, that would tell me that you're actually getting a thicker asphalt driveway.
Exactly.
So how thick is the end product going to be, the asphalt itself on this driveway?
On this particular driveway, they're going to go with 2.5 inches of asphalt.
So you say on this particular driveway, in different applications, it's different thicknesses?
If it's a small vehicle, car traffic you're using, we'll go with maybe just 2 inches of asphalt. But if you go to larger vehicles, trucks, then they'll go up to 3-4 inches.
Okay, and so they obviously took a look at this situation. It's out here on a farm, and so there might be some farm tractors, some farm equipment, so they went a little thicker. Are there different mixes or different compositions to the asphalt itself?
We use 2 different kinds of asphalt, the regular asphalt, which other asphalt companies use, but we also have a rubberized asphalt, which I'd say about 95% of our customers go with.
Okay, so those are different options that are available, and that's something the homeowner should be talking to their estimator about to make sure they get the right product and the right thickness for their application.
Exactly.
Well, Dave, I can see the guys arriving here on site. It looks like they're getting ready to pave. Thanks a lot for coming on today's show.
Thank you too, it's been a pleasure.
Stay tuned. We'll check out the asphalt paving process next.